Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Hotspot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar. Myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD PG Department of Chemistry, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj. Guys, a very good morning to all of you. And with the request of UG PG students of different science stream, I am going to explain a very interesting topic in environmental chemistry. Hope this lecture will help you to understand the topics and you all will get maximum marks in the coming exam. And our topic is BOD and COD. That is, BOD stands for biological oxygen demand and it is also known as biochemical oxygen demand, and COD refers to the chemical oxygen demand. In a tabular form, we can distinguish the different features of BOD and COD. Number one parameter is definition. BOD generally stands for the life forms, microbes and organic decompose, whereas chemical oxygen demand is basically relative to the chemical. And its definition is first parameter. BOD is the measurement of consumed oxygen by aquatic microorganisms to decompose or oxidize organic matter, whereas chemical oxygen demand is the measurement of dissolved oxygen for the oxidation of organic and inorganic materials both. Number second parameter, amount of oxygen. BOD is the amount of oxygen consumed by bacteria while decomposing organic matter under aerobic conditions, whereas in COD is the amount of oxygen required for the oxidation of total organic and inorganic matter in water. Measure. Third parameter. BOD measures the amount of food or organic carbon that bacteria can oxidize, whereas COD measures the contents of all chemicals present in the water that are capable of being oxidized by the oxidizing agent. Fourth parameter is breakdowning materials. BOD is organic matter, whereas COD stands for both organic and inorganic constituents. Method. BOD is a very quite slow method, that is in case less oxygen is needed, whereas COD is a fast and accurate method. In this case, the consumption of oxygen is very high. Value lower than CO2 value and higher than BOD value. Time or days. In BOD, it takes 5 days, approx 5 days. In COD, whereas COD takes only a few hours to complete. Next point is a strong oxidizing agent. BOD is, in case of BOD, no oxidizing agent. In COD, a strong oxidizing agent. Number 9 parameter is complete breakdown of pollutant. In case of BOD, the pollutants are not broken down completely, whereas in COD, pollutants breakdown often takes place. Number 10 parameters is breakdown of organic matter. BOD is performed by aerobic microorganisms, whereas COD is performed by chemical reagents. Process. BOD is a biological oxidation process, whereas COD is a chemical oxidation process. Common test method. And how can you test the BOD and COD? BOD is determined by the method 5210B, where COD is determined by the method 410.4B. Another parameter used to test water. BOD may be used to test water from wastewater treatment plants which contain toxic industrial waste, whereas COD may be used to test water from industrial and domestic wastewater. What is the permissible limit of BOD? The permissible limit of BOD is 30 mg per liter, whereas COD permissible limit is 250 to 500 ppm. Capable, that is oxidation ability. BOD is capable of oxidizing natural organic detritus and organic waste in water, whereas COD is capable of degrading industrial sewage but does not measure the oxygen consumption of acetate. Determination, that is measurement. How BOD and COD is measured or determined. BOD is generally determined by incubating a sealed water under a specific temperature sample for 5 days and measuring the loss of oxygen from the beginning of the test, whereas COD is determined by incubating a closed water sample with a strong oxidant like K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, or KMnO4 potassium permanganate, in combination with boiling H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, under a specific temperature for a specific period of time and temperature. What are the characteristics of domestic wastewater in BOD? In BOD, weak is less than 200, medium is 350, strong is 500, and very strong is greater than 750. Whereas the characteristics of domestic wastewater in COD is it is weak, that is less than 400, medium 700, strong 1000, and very strong greater than 1500. Temperature performed. BOD is performed at low temperature, that is 20 degrees centigrade, whereas COD is performed at high temperature, that is 150 degrees centigrade. Toxic substance, another parameter. BOD is affected by the toxic substance, whereas COD is not affected by the toxic substance. How will you calculate, what is the equation to calculate the BOD and COD? In case of BOD, non-seeded BOD equation is denoted by the term BODS equal to D1 minus D2 upon whole P. Dilution, number one case dilution water is seeded, then BOD in milligram per liter equal to D1 minus D2 within bracket minus within bracket B1 minus B2 dot F whole divided by capital P, where BOD is in milligram per liter, where D1 is equal to initial DO, dissolved oxygen, of the diluted wastewater sample approx 15 minutes after preparation, milligram per liter. D2 is equal to final DO of the diluted wastewater sample after a 5-day incubation, that is also in milligram per liter, where B1 is equal to dissolved oxygen of seed control before incubation, is also milligram per liter. B2 is equal to dissolved oxygen of seed control after incubation, milligram per liter, and capital F is equal to fraction of seeded dilution water volume in sample to volume of seeded dilution water in seed control, and capital P equal to decimal fraction of the wastewater sample used in milliliter W sample by ml volume of the BOD water. Whereas COD equation is COD is equal to A minus B dot C dot 8000 divided by whole V, where A is equal to titrant used for the sample in milliliter, P equal to titrant used for the blank sample in milliliter, C is equal to normality of the ferrous ammonium sulfate, V equal to volume of the sample in ml. This is all about BOD and COD, and these are the factors by which BOD and COD can be distinguished. Or hope you have enjoyed the topic. Please subscribe, comment, like or bell our YouTube channel Hot Spot Chemistry by Dr. Anil Kumar. Next day a new topic will be discussed. Have a good day and good luck. The whole thing was edited and designed by myself, Dr. Anil Kumar, HOD PG Department of Chemistry, Sahibganj College, Sahibganj, and my beloved student Pratik Mohan Mishra and Stephen Hansda, who is a BCA student. Have a good day, good luck. Next day, then bye. Thanks.